Greetings, residents and visitors of the Turks and Caicos Islands. I am Allison Gordon, Director of the Department of Disaster Management and Emergencies, with a hurricane preparedness message just for you. We are in the peak of the Atlantic hurricane season, which ends on November 30. Currently, we are monitoring Hurricane Lee, and the formation of other systems are expected during this active season. Rest assured that the DDME is working closely with the TCI National Weather Service and other partners to provide you with accurate and current information. We know you have access to various sources of information. However, please pay attention to your local news sources. The hurricane preparedness and response mechanism is in a state of readiness. Our partners, both government and non-government, are working closely with the private sector to ensure that you are safe. Here are a few key messages I want you to bear in mind. Stay calm. Ensure that you have a family disaster plan, and for the businesses, ensure that your business continuity plans are in place. Ensure that your roof is safely and firmly secured, and that your surroundings are free from any debris that would serve as missiles. Stock up on emergency supplies such as food, water, medication, your first aid kit, and should there be elderly as members of your family, please ensure that special attention is paid to their care. If there are children as members of your family, please ensure that their favorite toy or whatever comfort items they may need to take to the shelter are ready and available. Know how to get to the emergency shelters safely. Please remember that all shelters will not be opened at the same time, so listen to the media for updates. Download the DDME Alert app to stay informed on significant updates. And also follow our social media pages, Facebook and Instagram for updates as well. Stay calm, stay safe, and stay prepared. May God continue to protect us, as it is better for us to prepare and prevent than repair